Great afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're in the neighborhood of El Cerro, which is located downtown in the Hillside. We're going to take a look at this property named Condo Mirador. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath plus flex, which measures 178 square meters, which is roughly 1,900 square feet. The asking price is $598,000, and you're gonna see why this is an option for someone who likes to be in a peaceful neighborhood with exceptional views. Let me tell you, 180-degree views of the bay. And especially right now with the whales being in season, you will be in for a treat. So without any further ado, we'll get into the video so you can see what this beautiful condo has to offer. All right, as we approach the staircase, notice this exemplifies indoor-outdoor living. I'm gonna walk right past so you can see how large and expansive this terrace actually is, which you can take advantage of, having indoor-outdoor living at its fullest. This neighborhood is pretty quiet. You're on the hillside of downtown core. Just above is the very famous El Mirador, which is a public lookout point where you can see the full bay. And if you're someone who likes to be active and you want a good exercise or workout, you can do that here. Now, as I pan to the left, notice the eagles flying by and the views of the bay. This is our whale season, so we got humpback whales. If you're out here long enough, you'll be able to see them breach. And this is essentially walking distance to pretty much everything in town. So if you want to be in town, you want to go to restaurants, you want to check out the vibe of the city, it's just a quick walk down this hill and you're right in town within minutes. And then you can retreat back where it's a lot quieter. So with that, let's head inside and let's take a look at the space. A lot of open doors, so these doors do close off completely. The place is unfurnished, well, partially furnished. So it gives you the opportunity to design it exactly how you like, but whatever furniture is currently here is also included. Let's start off with the back bedroom. Again, this space has everything that you would need. Beautiful closet area. Now this is, you have a small partial view to the ocean, but more so to the mountains. So it's more of an area where you'll have more quiet. During the rainy season, when everything is lush green, you'll be able to enjoy those views as well. Each bedroom is equipped with a AC unit and mini split. So even right now with just the fan, it is pretty cool. Like if you keep these doors open, you'll get natural airflow. Over here is the ensuite bathroom with the shower and vertical tiles. And let's head towards the kitchen where you have this beautiful island, again, oriented to face both views of the mountain as well as the ocean. These are marble countertops, and you got a dual sink with also a dishwasher. Now, One thing that I've noticed is the cabinetry. You have lots and lots of space. So if you're a foodie or a chef and you have your appliances that you want to bring, you have more than enough space, as well as you have a built-in microwave, electric stovetop, gas oven, and a stainless steel refrigerator. Now, as I head to this space over here, this is the flex room. You can use this as a study, a TV room, or even a bedroom. It closes off completely. You just slide these accordion style doors. Now, this space is, let me just open this up. Also has a mini split AC, large enough to hold at least a queen. You can get a king, although you probably would not be able to get side tables, but it's up to you. You can either hold a queen or a king, or you could put a Murphy bed there and have it as a multi-purpose room. It's up to you. Again, this would be the living room area. Look at the views. This will never get boring. Like, imagine waking up to this or coming home and catching sunsets. This time of the year, after the sun goes down, we have those candy cane colored skies where you got your peaches and purples and violets. It's like cotton candy. All right, over here is a full bath. Again, as well as tucked in this corner is your stackable washer. Let me get this open. Washer and dryer. So everything that you would need is already here. Now this would be the primary bedroom. You got your full ensuite bathroom. Now, this is your view. You take advantage of with these doors. You keep it open or close them, but they have glass, so you'll still have those views. Now, one thing that I'd like to point out, this unit does have its own private garden, and we'll take a look at that right now, but also it's been designed, should you want to make this a pool, it is designed to support a pool, but you could use it as a garden, as it has already been purposed for that.
Yeah, can we run a room down?
Now, just to take this staircase down here, notice the stone pathway, and this will take you to your garden or pool, should you choose to convert it to a pool. This would be a great area where you can grow your own vegetables, fruits. I just walked the tightrope. Pretty agile. Yeah. Just gonna head over here so you can see the full width of this space. All right, now on the rooftop, you get even better views. This is a common area where you have a space for barbecue. And you have a sink, seating area. Again, to mention these views is an understatement. Seeing this in person is unbelievable. You got your mountain views. So for those that are familiar with El Mirador, it's a little bit of a hike. But if you want to take advantage of those views without having to climb all of those stairs, you can do that from the comfort of this condo. All right, let's head to the pool area. We'll take a look at that. Suited with a few lounge chairs. And then you got your infinity pool facing the ocean. What I really like is this covering over here on the roof. There are solar panels that provide not only electricity, but also it heats the water as well. So your energy consumption would be a lot less, which is key during the summer months when it's really, really, really hot and you don't have to use your AC bill will not be as high as it would be if you didn't have solar panels. Now, just taking a look right here, I can see very clearly Los Arcos. Los Arcos are those three rock formations. They're actually granite rocks. It's a reserve national park, water park, where you could go snorkeling, as well as you can actually swim through the caverns that are there. It's definitely an awesome trip, worth it. Bye bye, Miss Maloya. Now that concludes our tour today here at Condo Mirador. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom plus flex with 3 bathrooms. It measures 178 square meters, which is roughly 1,900 square feet. The asking price is $598,000. And as you can see in the background, it has amazing views. Right now I'm on the rooftop, but also from the main level as well. It includes a personal garden that could easily be converted into a pool should you choose. And you're extremely close to the downtown core, less than 10 minutes, probably 5 on the way down to the Malecón. So if this is something that you'd like to see in person or virtually, contact me today. Description on screen. And this is my time here. Thank you for watching Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you next time.